Okay, hi, we're going to talk about solving systems by substitution method. What you need to take a look at here is how is it that I can write this system without having to graph it, and how can I solve it. So for this particular one, we're going to take a look at here when we solve by substitution method. The important thing is here is that we define one of the variables, which means one of the variables says that it's equal to something else, whether it's a statement or whether it's a number or whatever it is. So based off of this, what we need to take a look at is some ideas of what we're looking for. So the answer to this is a coordinate pair, because when you're solving a system, you're looking for where does this line intersect with this line. And some things to notice is that this is in y equals mx plus b, and this is in standard form. When you have something in y equals mx plus b, it means that you're solved for the y variable, which means that the y variable is equal to 2x plus 4. Well, when we're dealing with this, we're talking about a coordinate pair. So by principle, the coordinate pair is when is that coordinate pair on this line and it's also on this line. So what we're looking for is what y matches exactly with that y and what x matches exactly with that x. So what that basically just said, what you need to take note here is that that y is the same as that y, that x is the same as that x. So what I begin to do here is I begin to notice that, and I go, okay, if this y here is the same exact y as this one, and this y is equal to 2x plus 4, then guess what? This same exact y is also equal to that 2x plus 4 there. So what I can do is, instead of leaving it as a y here, I can rewrite this problem, and I can say that, okay, instead of having 6x plus y, that this is now 6x plus, in parentheses goes the quantity of 2x plus 4. And what that allows me to do is that instead of having an x and a y in the problem, I've now got a problem with just x's in it. And I still say that that is equivalent to 8. So what I've done here is I've substituted in that variable for y, and I said y is equal to 2x plus 4, which is the same y down here, so I just took what it was, plugged it in down here. So I go through to some mathematical simplification, so parentheses can drop them, there's a 1 out front. So 6x plus 2x is 8x, and then plus 4 is equivalent to 8. So now when I go ahead, I'm going to subtract 4, and what I'm left with here is that I have 8x equals 4, so therefore x equals 1/2. So when I divide by 8, so 4 divided by 8 is 1/2. So what I now have is I have the x coordinate. So what I'll now need to find here is what's the y coordinate. If I have it, that's 1/2. I now need to find the y coordinate. And the way I find the y coordinate is I come back up into this original problem, and I say, okay, if x is now 1/2, well then y must be 2 times 1/2. 2 times 1/2 is 1, 1 plus 4 is 5. So the way I got that again was I said y is equal to 2 times 1/2 plus 4. 2 times 1/2 is 1, and 1 plus 4 is 5. So my final answer is written as the coordinate pair 1/2, 5. And the reason I write it as a coordinate pair is because, remember, I'm looking for where do these two lines intersect, and lines always intersect at points. So that's why I've written as coordinate pair.